So regular steel, everybody's pretty familiar with how that corrodes. It's rust, right? So it's the orange rust. That is how steel corrodes. How does that happen? If it's an uncoated part, exposed to the elements, outside, getting a lot of moisture on it, that's typically when rusting is going to happen. Can rusting happen if an uncoated steel part is inside? Yes, it can, over a long period of time with moisture and just being open to just regular oxygen, because the steel is oxidizing. You're going to get rusting. And it's very noticeable and very detrimental to the substrate. If you leave it like that for a long time, like a metal part outside, eventually it can just rust to nothing. Over a really, really long period of time, it would just rust to nothing. There'd be nothing left of it. That's why, like, railings or things, old railings that had coating fall off and they're really rusty at the bottom, they could start getting holes in the tubing because it's just literally rusting away. There's nothing left of the metal.